Subscribe to AkhilanTech YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell icon for the latest tech updates.
Hey, what's up you guys, this is Akhilan from AkhilanTech. Every day, you, me and around 2 billion people use Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram and also the Messenger apps. Yeah, I'm going to talk about the WhatsApp, Instagram in a separate video, but for now, let us only talk about the Facebook. So watch the video till the end because I'm going to tell you actually how do this Facebook earn money. So let's get started. Worldwide, Facebook has a huge global market, but especially in the US and Canada, Facebook earns more money. Worldwide in 2018, Facebook earned around $25 per user. But in the US and Canada, it was almost $110 per user. Facebook also earns money through its new feature called the Facebook Games. If you open the Facebook app, you might be seeing a separate page for the Facebook Games. So in these Facebook Games, when you play any game, the Facebook will be getting some commission. Actually, how does this work is that the developer who develops the game and he wants to keep that game in the Facebook application, then the developer should pay some money to the Facebook. So like this, the Facebook will get some revenue from the app developers. Guys, this is only the 2% revenue that's the Facebook earning. But another 98% of the revenue the Facebook will earn only through the advertisements. What? Yeah, you heard it right. Facebook earns 98% of its revenue only through the advertisements. And these advertisements are called as the targeted advertisements. Actually, what does Facebook does is that it only shows the relevant ads to the specific people. So many companies prefer Facebook for promoting their products and gadgets because of the database that is being created by the Facebook. Facebook tackle advertising by targeting the specific audience. This includes gender, age, level of education, income level or employment. Facebook has a huge data of all the people who are logged into the Facebook and are having accounts in the Facebook. Like for instance, Facebook knows who you are, your friends and your interests from the pages that you follow. And it has this all of the data from a lot of people who are having accounts in the Facebook. So with this information, Facebook knows that which person is interested in which topic. So according to that person, according to his interest, the Facebook will run a specific ad targeting that particular person. The company also has two messaging apps. One is the WhatsApp and Messenger. And each app has around 2 billion monthly users and it includes you and even me. So with this we can say that Facebook's main source of income is just to the advertisements, and that's all from this video. I'm also going to break down the business secrets, all the business models of the WhatsApp, Messenger, Instagram and other popular apps. So if you want to see all those videos, subscribe to AkhilanTech YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell icon so that you will be reminded every time I post a new video in my YouTube channel. If you find this video informative, drop us a like down below and share this video. Also, don't forget to watch this video out there because it will be more interesting. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Cheers!